By this weekend, the District Attorney General says more people will have died of drug overdoses in Knox County than any other year. So far, 380 people have lost their lives to addiction in 2021. 3 more deaths, and we will beat last year's record.
That was a grim one as well. And 10 News reporter Cole Sullivan joins us to explain why people working on the front lines of the drug problem say it's getting worse. Cole?
Robin, John, they say it's a combination of the effects of the pandemic and a skyrocketing need that's put resources for addicts in short supply.
Gosh, man, it's not funny. It's almost a laughing to keep from crying situation.
At the Metro Drug Coalition, the phones do not stop ringing.
The only time it stops is when we stop it to take care of ourselves. And then during that time, we build up a bulk of phone calls that we have to return.
In the past year, the anti-drug advocates there say they've referred nearly 400 people to treatment, but the need keeps skyrocketing.
If we just go to the data, it reflects that this is a whole different world now.
Data from the Knox County District Attorney shows the number of drug overdose deaths had begun to improve.
Pre-pandemic, we were making those strides, then it hit, and we have just gone the other direction.
Nearly 100 more people died of overdose last year. And this year, trends even worse.
We look at every single overdose death as a potential homicide, and we try to charge as many dealers as we can.
But District Attorney General Charme Allen says her office has only brought murder charges in a fraction of cases, 11 last year.
We would like to be able to do more, but honestly, just with law enforcement's resources and our resources here in the prosecutor's office, we are charging every single one of those overdose deaths that we possibly can.
Resources hamper Metro Drug's efforts too. The wait for drug treatment beds can be weeks long.
They contact us and they're waiting on a treatment bed. In that middle space, we lose a lot of people, and I mean we lose them completely sometimes.
And you see one of the potential solutions there, Narcan. His team now hands out that opioid reversing drug to try to keep addicts alive while they await treatment. He says fentanyl is now pervasive, mixed with almost all drugs available on the street. Robin, John.
Talk about a crisis, Cole. Thank you. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, there is help available. You can call the Tennessee Red Line, the Metro Drug Coalition, or the Partnership for Drug-Free Kids. We also have many other resources right now at WBIR.com.